There are vacations and then there are journeys that stay with you forever. Today, my friends, marks the beginning of one of those unforgettable journeys. As I stand here preparing to board my AmaWaterways ship, I can feel the excitement building. It's that wonderful feeling you get when you know something special is about to happen. The bags are packed, the passport is ready, and all that's left is to step on board and let the adventure begin. Look at this beautiful place. The moment I see the ship waiting along the riverbank, I know this isn't just another vacation. It's my floating boutique hotel, and look at this menu. Woohoo! My home away from home and gateway to discovering some of the most beautiful places in the world and enjoying the luxurious food. I am telling you, warm smiles and genuine hospitality. From that very first welcome, I feel more than just a guest. I feel like family. The crew makes every person feel important, and it's easy to see that they're passionate about creating unforgettable experiences. I'm on board. Take a deep breath and look around, my friends. This elegant decor, the elegant frou-frou, everything they've set out for us. And soon we are going to go into the comfortable staterooms, the panoramic views through the large windows, the balconies. Oh, this journey is going to be something extraordinary. My favorite moments, one of them, walking around the sun deck. Wow, the river stretches out in front of you like a ribbon leading towards adventures. Every bend promises a new discovery. Every mile carries me closer to another historic town, another breathtaking castle, and a charming village, or another unforgettable experience. Hello, my friends. We are in room 316. We have a beautiful balcony out there, 2 nice chairs, our television, which is also a computer. Hey, me! And we have our water bottles, and we've been on Ama before, so we have a complimentary bottle of wine. You get that after maybe your third cruise. And we have our quiet box devices, a telephone, some plug-ins here, and look at that. A Koenig machine right in the room. And we've got a little nice display here with our cups right underneath. We have a refrigerator underneath that. And then over here, we're going to have some storage. And now aboard Ama, you get a complimentary water bottle that they are delighted to offer this to us. The water here is drinkable. It's a beautiful AmaWaterways. You can connect this to your belt loop, to your backpack, and have it with you. And for our drawers next to the bed, great to keep those little items you're going to need on a day-to-day basis, alarm clock included. And for our electricity, make sure you bring your converter with you. And we have our light switch for the night, the reading, all off. And our 2 USB ports. I'm sure they're going to be converting those to the C ports, but right now they are the USBs. Nightlight overhead, and the same controls on the opposite side. And that is our restroom window. It is dimmable, so you can see through or not see through. Right now we can't see through. Simply flip a switch and we can see right into the restroom. And the window is nice if you're in here and putting on makeup. You get the natural light that's coming through the window. And we've got our shower. We are in room 316, so I believe this is one of the higher rooms. We're going to give you the full details then. We have 1 to turn on the water, 1 for the heat. Push the button if you want it extra hot. We have our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I'll give you a report on that. And if you do want to dry anything in your own room, you've got this little extension cord that will go across the shower and hook on the other side so you can do your delicates. But we do use the laundry services here when we're on board AmaWaterways. And of course we want to conserve the water, reuse the towels if we want. And look at this, all new flavors. These are not the same flavors we had last year on a cruise. So this is going to be fun and interesting as we check out the flavors. Let's see the hand lotion. Uh-oh, no smell on the hand lotion, so I'll give you a report on the rest. And underneath your computer is a nice little storage drawer. We then have cabinet with your vase for your flower, an ice bucket. And in our closet, we have 3 closet doors. Our first one has our safe, our robes, shoes, and if it's cold outside, you can take that blanket outside that's on the bottom shelf there. And I'll go over the laundry list in a little bit. We do have a nice mirror as you open your closet door. Lots of hangers for both of you. And if you need more, just let them know. You've got this large shoehorn you can use while you're here, and umbrellas for those hot sunny days or those rainy days. The hallways are inviting, filled with light. Put your passport away and be at home. Push your 4-digit code, press lock, close the door, and you are locked, my friends. You want it back out? Enter 4-digit code and it will open. And in your room, my friends, I want to let you know, if you're used to going on cruise lines on the water and everything is metal, AmaWaterways has put in a metal plate so you can use your hangers and hang your gizmos up here if you're accustomed to do that. And we are taking a look at room 303, my friends, and look at this luxurious room, completely set up for enjoyment. Look at the beautiful space we have. And yes, you even have a television screen up there. You can watch your movies in bed. A full sitting room available. Closets, storage, drawers, and your restroom.
Put over your head. Take the belt around your body. On the right side is a belt.
Yes, did you get a picture?
Northern France, Metz. You're a food lover?
Life on board AmaWaterways is exciting. You start your morning with a delicious breakfast buffet featuring fresh pastries, fruit, made-to-order specialties, and local favorites. After a day of exploration, you return to the ship for a leisurely lunch with a panoramic river view before preparing for another elegant evening. Dinner is truly an event. Talented chefs create beautiful prepared multi-course meals inspired by the regions we're visiting. Every evening offers something new, from gourmet entrees and fresh seafood to decadent desserts that are almost too beautiful to eat. Pair your meal with excellent wines included and enjoy conversations with fellow travelers as the sun sets over the river. The entertainment, my friends, entertainment never stops. Spend your evenings enjoying live music, local performers, cultural presentations, dancing, and relaxing in the inviting lounge. So whether you are celebrating with new friends or simply taking in the atmosphere, every night offers another memorable experience. And remember, you wake up to this. You also have this for lunch. You have buffet, you have full menu, you have so much charming food and riverside towns, medieval castles, rolling hills, picturesque vineyards, so beautiful to see from the sun deck or right where you sit down to have your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's amazing. This is not just a vacation. It's a collection of unforgettable moments. Like I said before, it's discovering new cultures, tasting extraordinary cuisine, creating lifelong friendships, and experiencing destinations in a way that only river cruising can offer. If you've been dreaming about the perfect blend of luxury, adventure, relaxation, and discovery, an AmaWaterways river cruise is waiting for you. It's waiting for me. Ooh, I love going on these trips. I love just looking out, enjoying the water, and having a pampered time. My friends, I will see you again soon. But until next time, happy travels. This is Wendy with Where Wendy Travels, wishing you all a great and safe
Journeys continue.
journey.